It is another beautiful day for Kapampangan basketball as we bring you the continuing coverage of your 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Asos born 2001 Cup inaugural season champions, the Pampanga Delta. As we can see here, Raymart Cosal and the rest of the Fernandino KAYABE basketball team trying to make a statement. At makakatapat niya dito itong si Jason Ibay and the rest of the MINALIN All-Stars basketball team trying, of course, to end this elimination round with a bang. Our game at hand, Fernandino KAYABE kontra MINALIN All-Stars. Isang magandang hapon po sa inyo mga kabalan. Penelope Wilhelmina, and I am joined here, of course, by one of the SLA production directors, Direct Mike Danan. Direct, magandang hapon sa iyo.
Magandang hapon, Pen. So, magandang hapon mga kabalan. Tutukan natin ang laban ng Fernandino KAYABE na merong home court advantage kontra dito sa MINALIN All-Stars.
And yes, of course, speaking of tutukan, matututukan natin itong Delta Cup 2023-2024 sa ating Facebook page at Pampanga PIO, at pwede nyo rin po itong tutukan sa YouTube channel ng Pampanga at Pampanga_PIO, at pwede rin nyo po itong mapanood at matutukan sa broadcast YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. Of course, before anything else, let's take a look kung nasaan na ba itong dalawang koponan na maglalaban dito sa ating team standings.
Okay, nakita natin dito, bracket B, Fernandino KAYABE merong 5 wins, 3 loss, na number 4 sila sa bracket B. And then nakikita natin sa number 6, itong MINALIN All-Stars with 4 wins and 1 loss.
And
Ay,
yes,
4 losses, sorry.
And then hindi na nga natin to patatagalin pa. Let's now, coming up is the battle between MINALIN All-Stars kontra Fernandino KAYABE. So, I'm now turning you over to Ram Valid for our Delta Cup starters of the game.
Good afternoon once again, Delta Cup fans. So we're coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga, the home of Pampanga Delta. This is the Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partners Sinag Liga Asa. Catch live action at Pampanga Public Information Office FB page and YouTube channel. This is our third match for this afternoon. It's the battle between Fernandino KAYABE and your MINALIN All-Stars. And now let's meet the protagonists first for your Fernandino KAYABE. Starting at guard number 15, Charles Deason. Also at guard number 3, John Lloyd Abib. At center number 2, Raymart Cosal. At forward number 10, J. Ron Ramirez. And the other forward number 30, Dane Jasoy. Head coach for Fernandino KAYABE is MJ Magtoto. Assistant coaches Jeff Olalia, RJ Mangulabnan, John Kayanan, and Jeff Katakutan. Your Fernandino KAYABE. And now let's meet the starters for your MINALIN All-Stars. At guard number 6, PJ Paruao. Also at guard number 17, Paolo Garcia. At forward number 10, Kenneth Pamulagan. Also at forward number 12, Heron Bonifacio. And center number 81, Jason Ibay. Head coach Minalin All-Stars is Bernard Valencia. Assistant coaches June Canlas, Limuel Serrano, Jericho Isidro, Paul Mikla, and Loy Laxina. Team manager Mr. Von Manalili. Game officials for this game, Dennis Escaros, Anthony Galutera, and Jong Banayat. This is the Delta Cup 2020.
Our starters for San Fernando, we have here Dizon, Siazon, Cosal, David, and Ramirez. At para sa panig na itong Minalin All-Stars, meron tayo dito si Parungao, Pamulagan, Garcia, Bonifacio, at itong si Jason Ibay. Penelope Wilhelmina at your service alongside with Direct Mike Daran para sa labanang Minalin All-Stars kontra Fernandino, KAYABE. The ball possession, kuha dito ni Paulo Garcia. Paulo Garcia. Ooh, beautiful drive para dito sa Minalin All-Stars. Care of PJ Parungao. See here, itong San Fernando. Ooh. Good block.
Nakikita natin yung Minalin. Maganda yung depensa nila against dito sa Fernandito Kayabe ka. So, tingnan natin kung matutuloy-tuloy nila yung mga depensa na gano'n para hindi maka-easy 2 points ang San Fernando sa kanila.
As first basket is good for David. 2 out of 2 for JL David. Parungao. Parungao to Ibay. Ibay balik kay Parungao. Parungao to Bonifacio. 5 seconds on the shot clock. And that is good for Heron Bonifacio. This is the usual starters nitong Minalin All-Stars covering their past games. And this is also the usual starters for the side of San Fernando.
Well, nakita natin dito sa starters, nandun si Cosal, di ba? Napanood natin yung last game nila. Si Cosal talaga yung point man dun sa Fernandino Kayabe ka. At saka, home court advantage sila. Nakikita natin maraming tao from San Fernando ang nandito para suportahan ang Fernandino Kayabe ka.
But a missed pass, a bad pass rather, for Raymart Cosal, papunta dito kay Ramirez. Napalakas yung pasa niya nun eh. They're going for a quick play over there. It wasn't good. Paulo Garcia. What a beautiful move from Paulo Garcia.
Well, ang ganda nung move ni Paulo Garcia doon. Ang ganda rin nung pasa sa kanya for that easy 2.
Dizon. That is long for Dizon. Ito naman si Bonifacio. Bonifacio to Garcia. There was a whistle. Take a look at the replay. Parungao. Nice pass to Paulo Garcia. What a move from Paulo Garcia and a basket for this guy.
Ganda yung move ni Paulo Garcia doon para hindi siya ma-block.
6-2. Makes it 6-4 now with 7 minutes and 43 seconds remaining. Ulit dito ang bola sa Minalin. Parungao. To Pamulagan rather. Kay Parungao ang bola. Paulo Garcia. It wasn't actually Paulo Garcia rather. It's Heron Bonifacio. Magkamukha kasi yung likod ng dalawang to. Tingnan mo. Direct Mike. Diba? So take a look at this replay. That beautiful pass from Parungao to Heron Bonifacio. Ito na naman yung pinapakita ng Minalin All-Stars as timeout on the floor. 8-4.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
7 minutes and 23 seconds remaining for our first quarter. 8-4 in favor of MINALIN All-Stars. Itong si Dizon. Dizon to Raymart Cosal. Cosal to Dizon. What will Dizon do? Mikot pa tong si Dizon and the jumper is good for Dizon.
Well, nakikita natin yung connection ng MINALIN All-Stars, Parungaw to Garcia. Dalawang converted basket yun. Tignan naman natin dito sa side ng San Fernando. Tignan natin si Dizon at saka si Cosal.
As it was a miss pass for the bid, it has been, ipapasa niya yung dapat dito kay Charles Dizon, pero hindi kasi natingin si Dizon doon, kaya naagaw to ni Paulo Garcia. So we take a look at the replay. After that, nung makuha na ulit dito ni Paulo Garcia yung possession, was able to assist etong si Jason Ibay. First 3 points for Jason Ibay after that basket and one. 6 minutes and 35 seconds remaining, 11-6. 5 ang kalamangan ng MINALIN All-Stars. Oh, nice pass to Dizon. Dizon for 3. Dizon from way downtown.
Si Dizon, kailangan bantayan nila yan. Meron yan tres, meron din yan tira sa loob. So, para at least mababantayan ng MINALIN.
Speaking of Charles Dizon, having Charles Dizon para sa panig ng San Fernando, itong MINALIN All-Stars, meron kang Heron Bonifacio, meron kang Jason Ibay, at meron kang Paulo Garcia. If I am not mistaken, on the last game, I was able to cover it for MINALIN All-Stars. As we take a look here at the replay, itong si Heron Bonifacio, escaping Raymart Cosal with that move.
Well, meron pa silang Parungaw. Isipin mo, may Pamulagan pa. Balayog, nandito rin. So, maraming mga players na MINALIN All-Star ang talagang nag-step up.
Ito nga, yun nga yung sinasabi natin talaga, Derek Mike, na this is actually a good game. A battle between Raymart Cosal and Jason Ibay, the best defensive players these two teams has. Diba? Kung blocking sa blocking, offense sa offense, at defense sa depensa, those two guys I mentioned, Jason Ibay and Raymart Cosal, were very perfect for that. There is a whistle called against Raymart Cosal, the dribbling violation. If I am not mistaken, he scored 26 points on their last game, last week.
Oh, pero hindi pa nakaka-shoot si Cosal dito, no? So, tignan natin maya-maya kung ano yung gagawin ni Cosal or yung connection nila with Dizon. Connection niya with Dizon.
Ooh, Ibay! Oh, ang ganda ng putback doon. Neto ni Kenneth Pamulagan. Actually, if you'll titignan mo yung lineup dito ng MINALIN, itong starters dito ni Coach Bernard Valencia, everyone can step up, everyone scores. As we mentioned, scoreless kanina si Raymart Cosal, but as we approach the 5 minutes of our first quarter, Raymart Cosal finally scored from the 24-footer line natin doon as he scored 3-point shot from in there. So take a look. This from Raymart Cosal from way downtown. Ang layo pa nga eh. No, he's way beyond the 3-point line. Sideline inbound from Paulo Garcia. Back to Parungaw. Parungaw to Bonifacio. Pero may foul doon. Baseline inbound for MINALIN this time. Ibay to Parungaw. Parungaw for 3. It swishes through the net for PJ Parungaw.
hindi na anticipate ng mga players ng San Fernando yung kay Parungao, yung 3 points niya.
Kasi kung hindi talaga ako nagkakamali, hindi ganun yung laro neto ni PJ Parungao. He barely shot from the 3-point line. Laging drive, laging salaksak ang laro neto ni PJ Parungao. Bad pass for PJ Parungao. Traveling violation for Raymart Cosal. So you can see here, Head Coach MJ Magtoto of San Fernando, Pampanga. Fernandino ka, Kayabe ka. Paulo Garcia, what a step for Paulo Garcia, but a bad pass for Paulo Garcia. Balik dito ang bola sa San Fernando. Beautiful move. Galing dito sa San Fernando kay JP Padayaw. Oh! 3-point shot again for Raymart Cosal. If I am not mistaken, the parents of Raymart Cosal were watching. Doon niya binabato yung mga halik niya after that shot. Good confidence for Raymart Cosal. PJ Parungao misses. Padayaw. Padayaw against Heron Bonifacio. Oh, nice defense for the side of Minalin. Pamulagan drives. Pamulagan misses. Recovery for Minalin. Ball stays at the offensive side. Garcia. Heron Bonifacio rather.
Ang ganda nung play na yun, si Pamulagan, yung una niyang tira, hindi niya na-shoot, pero hinabol niya pa rin yung bola para makuha nila yung possession.
Cosal from way downtown, no good. Ang layo talaga tumira na ito Raymart Cosal We are tied at 2 minutes and 25 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Parungao. Garcia to Ibay. A traveling violation called against Jason Ibay. 7 minutes and 40 seconds passed by our first quarter. We're tied at 20, Direct Mike. Quite a good run for both teams. They're putting their best defensive and offensive plays.
Well, nakikita natin halos karamihan ng mga players ng bawat team na to, they're scoring points for their teams. So, kaya maganda yung laro natin, tied ball game.
Walang sinasayang na possession ng bawat koponan. Oh, Jason Ibay with a block. Parungao. Dito kay Layug. Almost misses. Parungao for 3. That is short for PJ Parungao. Raymart Cosal. Dito kay Padayaw. Traveling. Violation called against him. Pahinga muna dito si Cosal. Papalit dito. Itong si JD Meliado. Kenneth Pamulagan working with Layug. Almost a miss pass. Ibay for 3. In and out. Rebound by the defense side. Scramble on the defense. 3-point shot. No good for San Fernando. Ball goes to the defensive time this time. NJ Sagmit on the jumper. That is short. And a whistle. Substitution on the floor. Manaba checks in for Jason Ibay this time. 48.4 seconds remaining. Almost a minute. 1 minute and 30 seconds passed by. We're still tied at 20. After the 1 minute and 40 seconds, San Fernando able to be up by 2 in care. Dito ni Jaylee Padilla. Layug. Kay Pamulagan. Pamulagan for 3. That is long for Pamulagan. Balik dito sa San Fernando ang bola. Padilla. Padilla to Cunanan. Cunanan. There was a line. There is out of bounds called on Andrew Cunanan. 8 seconds left. Oh, beautiful pass to Kenneth Pamulagan. And a basket. And 1 for Kenneth Pamulagan.
Ang ganda ng ikot ni Pamulagan doon ha, para doon sa N1 play na yun.
Take a look to the last 5 seconds. Alam niya kasi na kailangan niya munang patamain sa board because it was a rush. Madali ang basket na yun para sa kanya. 2.5 seconds remaining. What will San Fernando do? Padilla! Padilla for 3. No good. For Jaylee Padilla. What a first quarter for San Fernando and Minalin All-Stars. 23-22 as we take a look at that beautiful pass of Parungao to Paulo Garcia. Easy basket for Paulo Garcia as we take a look here. Itong easy basket rin netong San Fernando. Ito, Kenneth Pamulagan. What a beautiful move mula dito sa Minalin. Itong 3-point shot ni Cosal from way beyond the 3-point line. And a kiss to his parents supporting and watching him here inside the BREN Convention Center. Mainit ng first quarter para sa parehong kupunan. 23-22 in favor of Minalin All-Stars. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating second quarter after this short break.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Mga kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinag-sports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page. Sinag Liga Asha has 3 Pampanga teams already confirmed that they are joining our 23 under and 19 under for our SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines. The Hustle Rising Suns, of course, Direct Mike Danan. Etong Pampanga Delta are born 2001 Cup inaugural season champions. At itong Fluid 1 Kapampangan. And in line with that, I would like to give a shout out to the head coach of Fluid 1 Kapampangan, Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan. As a blocking foul called dito kay Layug. Sideline inbound for San Fernando. Milado to David. Balik kay Milado ang bola. Patrick Padayaw. Padayaw balik kay Milado. Balik dito kay David. Cunanan, no good. Layug. Layug to Sagmit. Balik kay Layug ang bola. Jumper. That jumper is good.
Nakita natin ang ganda ng pasahan ng Minalin dito and they're converting on their baskets.
Kaya naman lamang na sila dito ng tatlo, 25-22. 2-0 run, 8 minutes and 55 seconds. Traveling, clearly, a traveling violation for Romel Bayabay.
Naalata ko lang na simula nung lumabas si Cosal, medyo hindi nagiging maganda yung nagiging place ng San Fernando. Lalo na sa mga offense.
As you mentioned, Raymart Cosal checks in. Let's see kung magbabago ba ang ball execution dito ng San Fernando at this time as 8 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. 2-0 run for Minalin. Sagmit. not to mention, wala dito si Pamulagan, wala dito si Parunga, wala dito si Paulo Garcia and Jason Ibay. It's clearly a bench player. Says jumper is good for NJ Sagmit. The usual starters of MINALIN All-Stars ay wala dito sa ating as we start the second quarter. Ganon kalaki ang tiwala nito ni Coach Bernard Valencia sa kanyang mga bench players. Oh! Nice pass para dito kay Andrew Cunanan, pero sorry miss para dun sa teammate niya. Ilalagay na lang dun sa basket, but he wasn't able to put it in basket. Count as one-handed shot is good for Nixon Manabat.
Well, we're seeing yung kung gaano kalalim talaga yung mga players ng MINALIN, no? Kahit nasabi mo ng mga bench players to, pero they're scoring points, they're giving good defense against Fernandino KAYABE.
Exactly, direct. That's why 6-0 run makes it 8-0 run for MINALIN All-Stars. At naalarma na dito etong si Coach MJ Magtoto at napatawag na siya ng timeout dito as already 2 minutes and 27 seconds as we take a look here. That beautiful move from Layug makes this ballgame 8-0 run at our second quarter. Makes it an alarm for head coach MJ Magtoto as time around the floor, 31-22.
Magkakabalin, handa na ba kayo para sa ating Kiss-Cam? Ito na ang pagkakataon para ipakita yun ang pagmamahal sa pamamagitan ng isang halik. Kiss! Yeehaw! Alright! Alright!
Ang tamis sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center, Direct Mike. Ang masasabi ko lang ay sana all.
Ang dami nagmamahalan dito sa San Fernando, ha?
February is almost over and Valentine's is almost over, but love is in the air inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. 7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Still no starters for MINALIN All-Stars. Out of bounds. Good D for Layug. Ang ganda ng depensang pinapakita dito ni Layug.
Oo, na hindi napansin ni doon na tumapak na siya, out of bounds na siya doon. Ang galing ng depensa ni Layug din.
8-0 run. 3 minutes is passed by. Oh, almost a good layup for MINALIN as Raymart Cosal. Let's see what will he do here. Still no good for Raymart Cosal. Against 2. A scramble on the ball, basketball.
Ang ganda ng mga pasahan ng MINALIN All-Stars. Pero ang ganda rin ng depensa nila. Isipin mo, na-control nila si Cosal para hindi maka-easy to doon sa ilalim.
As Pamulagan checks in with 6 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Iniisa-isa na dito ni Coach Bernard Valencia ang pagbabalik sa kanyang mga starters. Ito si Sagmit. Sagmit kay Pamulagan. Pamulagan. There's a whistle. Nakakuha pa ng foul doon si Pamulagan. For John Lord David. Nahihirapan yung San Fernando dito sa depensang pinapakita ng MINALIN All-Stars. It could have been a good putback for the side of MINALIN, but suddenly, apparently, it's stuck at the rim.
Grabe yung mga players sa bench ng MINALIN. Natawa sila doon sa nangyari yun.
It could have been a good putback for the side of MINALIN. But unfortunately, it's stuck on the rim. Oh, good steal from Cunanan. Cunanan on a drive. Makes this 8-2 run at this time.
Ang ganda ng effort ni Kunanan doon na yun ang isa pa sa mga kailangan ng San Fernando dito para at least mapababa nila yung lamang ng Minalin All-Stars.
Submit. Layo rather. Pamulagan. Almost a good putback for Kenneth Pamulagan. Oh, good pass to the mid. He wasn't able to keep the ball at his hands. Nag-struggle na kasi siya doon kasi pinipress na siya ng depensa ng Minalin.
Wala, nalito si David doon, so hindi rin siya nakayuko para at least mahawakan niya yung bola ng maayos.
5 minutes and 46 seconds substitution on the floor. Ito na nga ang sinasabi ko, iniisa-isa ni Coach Bernard Valencia. Jason Ibay checks in for Minalin. Working here with Kenneth Pamulagan, with Sagmit and Layub. Together with Eros Isip. Oh, beautiful move for Charles Dizon. Layub. Ibay. Ibay to Layub to Pamulagan. Too strong. But there was Eros Isip. Eros Isip with that easy putback.
Wala, ang tangkad ni Isip doon, so hindi siya nahinto ni ng player ng Fernandino KAYABE.
To take a look, etong si Raymart Cosali was very quiet, disappointed on what he was doing right now. Of course, he scored 26 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists last game. Almost a double-double performance for him, but now medyo malamig ang start neto. As we are down to the last 5 minutes of our first half, as we can see here, head coach MJ Magtoto of San Fernando. Kenneth Pamulagan. Pamulagan. 3-point shot. In short, pero nakabang dito ang Minalin. Pamulagan again. Pamulagan. Oh! Nice pass to Pamulagan. Kenneth Santiago. Almost a basket for Kenneth Heron Bonifacio rather. A good ball execution. Pamulagan. Nakuha na dito ng San Fernando. Direct Mike, what can you say about the defense of Minalin All-Star? Not the defense rather, but the ball execution of Minalin All-Stars.
Well, ang ganda ng mga pasahan ng Minalin. Hindi nga lang nila convert yun pero nakikita pa rin natin, syempre, depensa ng Fernandino KAYABE. So, hindi natin masasabi na Minalin pa rin yung magkocontrol ng larong ito.
As there is a review by our referees, of course, habang nagre-review, gusto ko pong batiin ang aking partner dito sa Delta Cup, ang analyst when I was ako ang anchor. Of course, my brother inside and outside the hard court, Enzo Galarosa. Enzo, get well soon sa'yo at namimiss ka na ng Pampanga.
Ayan, Enzo. Ayan, get well soon, Enzo. Sana makabalik ka na dito.
Kasi nag-e-enjoy na si Direct Mike.
Oo nga eh.
26-33 with 4 minutes and 19 seconds remaining as we take a look at tong replay na nire-review ng ating mga referees.
So yan, unsportsmanlike foul ang tinawag doon ng mga referees natin. Nakita naman natin yung naging contacts doon. So yun, excessive contact, so unsportsmanlike.
And that is called against NJ Sagmit of Minalin All-Stars. So the free throw for that unsportsmanlike foul is good for Jayron Ramirez. 1 out of 2. That is 1 out of 2 para kay Jayron Ramirez.
Ang abangan natin dito, ano yung magiging place ng Fernandino KAYABE, lalo na hindi umiinit yung laro ni Cosal. So, dapat mag-step up yung ibang mga teammates niya to make easy baskets para sa team nila.
As it was a missed communication for the side of San Fernando. still baseline inbound for San Fernando, pero nakuha yun dito ni Kenneth Pamulagan.
Well, we're seeing yung depensa naman ng Minalin against San Fernando. Kaya nila nakukuha yung mga bola. Kaya lang, yun nga, medyo nag-hesitate siya. Yun, kaya nalabas yung bola. Pero sa kanila pa rin naman yung possession. So, pwede nila makonvert to.
As that three-point shot is good for Kenneth Pamulagan with no hesitation. Cunanan. 9-point lead advantage para sa Minalin All-Stars, their biggest lead of the ball game. It's a traveling violation called for San Fernando.
Katulad ng sinabi natin kanina, ayun, gumagana yung depensa ng Minalin. Yun, cause ng turnover para makuha uli nila yung bola for possession.
3 minutes and 22 seconds. 17 on the shot clock. Let's see what will Minalin do here. 3-point shot. It's good. For PJ Parungao, back-to-back 3-point shot for the side of Minalin, care of PJ Parungao and Kenneth Pamulagan. At that floater is no good. Ibay on a rebound. Ibay against two. Ibay passes kay Kenneth Pamulagan. Pamulagan to Ibay. Ibay to Parungao. What will Parungao do? Oh! Almost a nice pass from Parungao to Ibay. So si Cunanan against two. Oh, nice block from Heron Bonifacio. A scramble.
Well, nakikita natin yung depensa ng dalawang team. Medyo nababantayan nila yung bawat kalaban nila. Tapos, at least natutulungan yun na hindi ma-convert yung basket.
Let's take a look on how will San Fernando react to the dominance of Minalin All-Stars for today's ball game. As that floater is no good for San Fernando. The foul called against Jayron Ramirez. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. 12-point lead advantage for Minalin. Timer on the floor, 39-27.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
SLA goes to Visayas this April 2024. SLA born 2004 and SLA born 2007. A 17 under and 19 under category. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or contact Mr. Paul Haven, our Deputy Commissioner for Visayas, 0917-855-5565. Ngayong April 2024 na po, pupunta na po ang Sinag Liga Asia sa Visayas. At the 3-point shot, no good, but a putback. No putback. Ball goes to the defensive side. Tingnan natin. Nice fake. Still no good. Rebound dito ni Ibay. Ibay. Napalakas yung pasa ni Ibay dito kay Heron Bonifacio.
Sayang yung mga possession na yun, no? So hindi na-convert. Tapos yung pasa na yun, hindi na anticipate.
But if we take a look sa naging takbo ng parehong kupunan na to on the second quarter, yung mga missed possessions ng San Fernando, na nako-convert naman kahit papano netong Minalin. Oh! Good block from Padilla. He ejected itong attempt ni Pamulagan. So we take a look. Clean ejection
Ang
para
galing no.
dito kay
Ang ga-
Padilla.
Ang galing ng pagkaka-ready ni Padilla doon para ma-block yung easy 2 points na yun.
There. After that block, there's an easy 2 point for Jaylee Padilla.
At least na-convert agad ni Padilla yung ano na yun, block na yun.
Parungaw to Bonifacio. Balik kay Parungaw ang bola. Parungaw to Pamulagan. What will Pamulagan do? Bonifacio. Parungaw rather for 3. Now good. 44.2 seconds remaining. After that missed 3-point shot from PJ Parungaw. Itong si Dizon, to Cosal. Cosal papunta dito kay Cunanan. Nice move from Cunanan. Padilla. Jumper. It's good. Pinadaan pa ni Padilla dito sa board. 29.3 seconds remaining. 31-39. Baba sa 8 ang Kalamangan.
Well,
Timer on the floor. 39-31.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
As we take a look here, the wife and the baby of head coach MJ Magtoto supporting him for this ball game. Ito, ang mga supporters ng Minalin at netong San Fernando. 24 seconds remaining. 16 on the shot clock. Heron Bonifacio. What will Bonifacio do? Nakita niya ditong libre si Pamulagan. Pamulagan for 3. That is no good. But a putback. Neto ni Nixon Manabat. 4 seconds remaining. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ni Ramirez. Titignan sa replay kung umabot ba. Itong last shot ng San Fernando, titignan lang yung oras because they're clearly 1.1 second after that. Let's take a look. Wala. Unang naubos ang oras bago ma-release neto ni Ramirez ang bola sa kanyang kamay. At the end of the first half, 41-31 as we take a look first of all, second quarter highlights. The shot from San Fernando. And let's take a look here. Kenneth Pamulagan for 3 from way downtown. No hesitation and whatsoever. Finds the bottom of the net, make the 3-point shot work para sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. That makes our first half 41-31. 10 ang kalamangan dito ng Minalin All-Stars. Kaya mga kabalen, tutok lamang po. Magbabalik po kami para sa second half ng ating San Fernando kontra Minalin All-Stars for Delta Cup 2023-2024.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Kapampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a Freeport zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. But also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
31-41 mga kabalin, kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok sa ating Delta Cup 2023-2024. Ito ang laban ng Fernandino KAYABE kontra MINALIN All-Stars. At as we take a look at itong halftime highlights natin. Ito, si Yazon.
Fernando, dito sa pagpasok natin sa third quarter, Pen.
At tignan nga natin kung paano mag-keep up o kung paano sasagot itong San Fernando sa ginagawang offensive plays nitong MINALIN All-Stars. Of course, at the end of the first half, our leading scorers for San Fernando, Dizon with 7, Raymart Tusal with only 6 points, Padilla with 6. Para sa MINALIN All-Stars, Pamulagan with 8, Parunga with 8, and Bonifacio with 6. Alam mo, Direct Mike, kaya ako nasabing, etong si Raymart Tusal with only 6. Last week, nung na-cover ko yung laro nila, yung at the end of the first half, he already scored 15 points. Way beyond sa ini-score niya o sa nagawa niya for the end of the first half kontra dito sa MINALIN All-Stars.
Well, pero Pen, hintayin lang natin ngayon ano ang mangyayari sa third quarter regarding sa opensa nitong si Cosal. Alam naman natin na siya yung rebounder, siya rin yung magaling pumuntos para sa Fernandino KAYABE. So sana makuha niya na yung game niya itong pagpasok ng third quarter para at least mahabol nila itong kalamangan ng MINALIN All-Stars.
Mga kabalan, we're back at the second half of this ball game or third quarter. Penelope Wilhelmina at your service alongside with Direct Mike Danan para dito sa patuloy na bakbakan ng huling linggo natin ng elimination round para sa ating Delta Cup 2023-2024. That is a basket for San Fernando.
Well, ito na. Nagsisimula na. Sana magtuloy-tuloy para at least mapababa na itong lamang ng MINALIN.
A three-point shot, no good for Paulo Garcia. Almost a putback for Heron Bonifacio. He was able to get a foul on that attempt. 33-41, baba sa 8 kalamangan ng MINALIN. Are we going to see a different breed of San Fernando for the second half of this ball game? As that first throw is no good for Heron Bonifacio. MINALIN has been so dominant in the first quarter. That's make them having the 10-point lead advantage. But 0 out of 2 para sa free throw line para Heron Bonifacio. Seeing him being dominant on the drives, on the easy basket. Hindi mo gugustuhin makita si Heron Bonifacio missing that one. As San Fernando misses that shot, easy basket for Jason Ibay. Let's talk about Direct Mike, this Jason Ibay of MINALIN All-Stars. If I am not mistaken, I have covered 3 games for MINALIN. This is their 4th game. I was able to cover them. Jason Ibay has been dominant from the beginning. I was able to see him play for MINALIN All-Stars. Hindi nagbabago. The consistency ng play nito ni Jason Ibay. Simula nung nakita ko siyang maglaro sa MINALIN hanggang ngayon ay hindi nagbabago.
Well, ngayon maganda yung pinapakita ni Jason Ibay. So kailangan nila siya. So isa sa mga big mans nila. So kailangan nila siya depensa. At syempre, dagdag din para sa opensa ng MINALIN All-Stars para mapatuloy nila yung kalamangan nila against San Fernando, Pampanga.
As the 3-point shot is too long for PJ Parungao. Cosal. Iinit na ba ang laro dito ni Raymart Cosal? But there was a whistle. for San Fernando.
Sayang, ang ganda sana nung pasa ni Cosal papunta kay Padayaw. Kaya lang, nag-hesitate si Padayaw, nilabas yung bola. Pero at least nasa kanila pa rin yung possession. Siguro ma-convert na nila ito.
Yeah, but this time, ball goes to Minalin again. 33-43, balik sa 10 ang Kalamangan. Paulo Garcia struggling. Parungao, back to Garcia. Garcia trying for a 3. But no Kenneth Pamulagan. That 3-point shot swishes through the net for Kenneth Pamulagan.
Well, yun. Maganda yung nagiging depensa ng San Fernando, no? So, hindi makapasok yung mga players ng Minalin. Pero, meron namang 3-point shot itong si Kenneth Pamulagan. Kaya nakascore sila laban doon sa matinding depensa ng San Fernando.
One thing for Minalin All-Stars. Paulo Garcia, your point guard. You have your shooting guard na so si Kenneth Pamulagan. If he needs to drive, he will drive. If he is free on the 3-point shot, on the 3-point line, even it's way beyond, he will deliver. 3-point shot for Dizon. That is too strong. Take a look. Ball. Possession stays para dito sa offensive side.
Well, nakita natin, pinalitan si Cosal, no? Siguro, hindi pa rin maganda yung laro ni Cosal or siguro masama ang pangaramdam nitong batang to. Pero tingnan natin, pagka pinasok uli siya, pangatlong beses na to eh. So, pinapahinga uli siya.
Sabi ni David, Raymart Cosal is not playing good. I will deliver for my team right now. As he was one of the trusted guys din dito ni head coach MJ Magtoto after the 3-point shot. 36-46. 10 pa rin ang Kalamangan ng Minalin. 7 minutes and 7 seconds remaining.
Well, dapat talaga mag-step up si David. So, isa siya sa mga big mans ng si Fernandino KAYABE ka. Tsaka alam naman natin na kaya niya naman, if ever naka-post up siya, makakascore siya.
So the ball stays at the offensive side. With 11 seconds on the shot clock, 6 minutes and 53 seconds on the game clock. What will Dizon do? Almost a steal. David, nice block from Pamulagan. No clock. A good defense.
Good D yung ginawa ng Minalin doon para hindi pa makakapasok si David doon sa ilalim. Sayang din yung naging effort ni Padayaw dahil naubusan na sila ng oras.
Etong si Dizon ng San Fernando is trying to match yung ginagawang pressure sa kanya sa depensa na itong Minalin. But then he was this, you have your Parungao, he's much more taller, he's much more bigger than his sa nagdedepensa sa kanya na si Dizon. Of course, you take the advantage. As the sideline inbound for San Fernando this time, 36-46.
Ito ang kailangan ng San Fernando, no? Yung mga turnovers, kailangan ma-convert nila. Ayan, with that 3 points, at least nakatulong ito para mapababa yung labang sa kanila ng Minalin All-Stars.
Did you see how confident Jaylee Padilla on that shot? Way beyond the line. It's 3 steps back from the 3-point line. From that right wing. Oh! Beautiful move! Galing dito kay Heron Bonifacio. After that good dime.
Ang galing nung pasa na yon sa ilalim. Hindi na depensahan na buti ng San Fernando yung ilalim nila doon.
Another turnover for David after delivering the 3-point shot. He committed a traveling violation. It's chance for Minalin. Para mapaangat ulit ang Kalamangan nila dito. Submit to Bonifacio. Bonifacio trying to fake a 3. Oh, seeing there Paulo Garcia. No good for Paulo Garcia this time. 39-48. 9-point advantage. Oh, almost a good block for Kenneth Pamulagan. Ball stays on the offensive side. Still no good! Balik ang possession sa Minalin. After the 3 basket attempts, easy basket attempts of San Fernando. Was Bonifacio, nice pass to Jason Ibay! Oh! What a move from Jason Ibay!
Pakalawang beses na ginawa yun, galing sa ilalim para makashoot at makascore.
Reverse layup for Jason Ibay. David almost misses the basketball. Oh! Again, Direct Mike, let's give a credit dito kay Coach Bernard Valencia. As we take a look at this replay, of course, a beautiful reverse layup from Jason Ibay. 4 minutes and 27 seconds after that, na-alarma itong si Coach MJ Magtoto as time around the floor, 50-39.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
As PBA Legends and Sinag Lakas 40 basketball exhibition game will happen on March 10, 2024 at Paint Branch High School, Burtonsville, Maryland. Sa lahat po ng mga kabalen at mga kasinag na may mga kamag-anak at mga kaibigan po, pwedeng-pwede niyo po matutukan doon at pwedeng-pwede niyo po mapanood ang mga professional basketball players natin dito, of course. Alvin Patrimonio, John Ferrios, our commissioner for Sinag Liga Asia Lakas 40, Commissioner Rodney Santos, will be there also together with EJ File and our president and CEO of Sinag Liga Asia, Boss Ray Alaw. As a foul called against San Fernando. Unsportsmanlike foul called on Andrew Cunanan.
Sinubukang hintoy ni Cunanan doon, no? Pero kaya lang nakapag-commit siya ng foul doon.
Si Coach MJ Magtoto ang nag-time out on our last break. Let's see kung paano niya i-keep up yung magandang laro na pinapakita nito ng Minalin. You know, we cannot blame Coach MJ Magtoto as well. Diba? His guys is putting their best defensive plays. Sadya nga lang na yung mga possession nila, hindi nila na-turn into a basket eh. Hindi nila na-execute into a basket count. Kaya nahihirapan sila dito eh. But in terms of defense, itong Minalin at San Fernando, they were just putting their best defensive plays.
Kaya lang nga nakikita natin na napakabilis talaga ng Minalin. Kaya nakakapag-convert sila. Ito, malaki pa rin nga yung lamang nila against San Fernando. Pero nakikita naman natin na nag-e-effort naman yung mga players ng San Fernando para at least mahinto nila yung bawat opensang ginagawa ng Minalin.
So a holding foul called on Raymart Cosal. So ito. Another foul for Andrew Cunanan. So take a look. Ito, dinedepensahan niya. Ito Minalin. Penalty. 5 team fouls for San Fernando. 39-51. Buti. Hindi pumasok yun. Yun siguro yung nasa isip ng San Fernando this time because committing a holding foul on Raymart Cosal dito and then after that, after the sideline inbound, ito namang si Cunanan na nag-commit. Of course, as that second shot is good for NJ Sagmit.
Well, we're seeing no na yung mga key players ng San Fernando is committing a lot of fouls, no? Dapat mag-ingat sila doon regarding sa pag-commit ng mga fouls, lalo na alam nila na kailangan sila ng team nila para mahabol nila itong lamang ng Minalin.
52-39, 3 minutes and 37 seconds. 13 ang kalamangan ng Minalin, the biggest lead of the ball game. As that first one, the first free throw shot is no good for San Fernando. Foul called against dito kay NJ Sagmit.
Substitution. All available for JP Mateo.
As Raymart Cosal, as you can see here, kinakausap siya dito ni Coach MJ Magtoto. Jaylee Padilla, 1 out of 2 for Jaylee Padilla this time. 3 minutes and 32 seconds, 12 ang kalamangan from the 14 big point advantage. As 1 out of 2 for Jaylee Padilla this time. Sagmit. What will Sagmit do? There's a warning called on Heron Bonifacio for faking a foul. Ibay. Ibay for 3. That's too strong for Jason Ibay. Casal against Ibay. That's still no good for Raymart Cosal.
Hirap na hirap si Cosal pumasok doon kahit na maganda yung pagkakapasa sa kanya ni Cunanan. Ang tindi ng depensa ng Minalin against Cosal. Kaya hindi siya nakakapag-convert.
Let's give a credit the coaching staff of Minalin All-Stars for the good, what do you call this one? Scouting na ginawa nila dito against San Fernando. Bantay na bantay dito si Raymart Cosal.
Maganda yung defensive strategy din ng Minalin doon.
After the first half, Raymart Cosal only scored 6 points. And ito, almost 8 minutes is passed by the third quarter. Still no points for Raymart Cosal. Itong si Cunanan, back to Cosal. Cosal against Parungaw. Oh, nice play but a sorry miss for Jaylee Padilla. Sagmit. Parungaw. Parungaw to Sagmit. The defense pressure na ginagawa dito ng San Fernando against Minalin. Nakakahanap pa rin itong Minalin ng libre nilang tao So they're finding the best needed help they could have para ma-convert nila yung possession into a basket. Because there was a sorry missed pass for San Fernando after that steal.
Well, nakita natin ang ganda ng pasahan ng Minalin, no? Hinahanap talaga nila kung sino yung ka-teammate nila na walang bantay para sa easy 2 points or easy 3 points. Well, nakikita naman natin na yung depensa naman ng San Fernando mahirap din talagang pasukin.
Ito nga. Sagmit. Able to recover the basketball. Almost a miss pass. Kuha nga dito ni Raymart Cosal. Oh! Good luck! Did you see how Jason Ibay ejected Raymart Cosal on that one?
Ang galing ni Ibay doon.
Take a look here.
Oh, grabe.
No, that was the last play. Kung saan nakadraw ng foul, they wasn't able to put that on an end-one play. Of course, mamaya ipapakita sa atin ni Emerson and the video gear, yung magandang block na yon ni Jason Ibay kay Raymart Cosal. Nagising ang buong BREN Convention Center after that block. It could have been I was just going to ask you, is this time going to be a basket for Raymart Cosal? But there, Jason Ibay being dominant, ejecting that shot of Raymart Cosal.
Well, gumana pa rin talaga yung strategy ng Minalin against San Fernando doon. Binantayan talaga nila Raymart Cosal. Ang ganda ng pagtalo ni Ibay doon para ma-block yung shot ni Cosal.
Perfect timing for Jason Ibay that time. As San Fernando is now struggling and scrambling on their offensive side.
We're seeing frustrations na ng mga players ng San Fernando, lalo na to si Ramirez.
Especially Coach MJ Magtoto is not happy how his guys performing, knowing how dominant team San Fernando is. It's a traveling violation for Minalin this time. 41 to 52, 46.9 seconds remaining.
Well, sa San Fernando, kailangan ng mga players nila para kumalma lang, keep their composure para at least ma-convert nila yung mga baskets nila. Dapat i-set up nila yung mga plays nila at syempre, depensa na mabuti yung mga opensa ng Minalin.
As Charles Deason checks in for JD Padilla. 18 on the shot clock. 39 seconds on the game clock. There is a whistle. Offensive foul called on Jayron Ramirez. San Fernando committing a lot of unforeseen errors dito sa ating 29 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter.
Ramirez, 3 na yung foul, no? So dapat ingatan niya yung foul niya, lalo na gumagana siya sa laro ng San Fernando. Kailangan niya makatulong sa team nila.
The defense strategy of San Fernando works this time. They were able to make it out of bounds for Minalin. 14 seconds, no shot clock. Dizon, what will Dizon do? Nakuha pa dito si Parungao. 3 seconds. Take a look, Ramirez. And there you have it. He was able to put it on basket para dito kay Bayabay. 43 to 52. So take a look here. Naagaw dito yon Romel Bayabay. Bayabay on the drive was able to release that basketball at 0.6 seconds remaining. And it's a basket count for Romel Bayabay. 43 to 52, baba ang kalamangan dito ng Minalin. As magbabalik po kami mga kabalan for our fourth and final quarter.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Mga kabalen, our Delta Cup 2023-2024 is live via Facebook page at Pampanga PIO. We're now back at the fourth and final quarter of our ball game. Of course, Jason Ibay after that monster block of Raymart Tosal. 43 to 52, babasa siya mga kalamangan. They were able to scramble on that one. Possession stays on the offensive side. Baseline inbound for Minalin. Parungao. What will Parungao do? 14 seconds on the shot clock. He's needing help. Asking for help. You see, kaano katalino itong si Kenneth Pamulagan. Alam naman niya, na-short na yun eh. Na-short na siya doon, direct mic. Then, inattempt pa rin niya yun, enable na makakuha siya ng foul.
Well, at least, syempre, basketball IQ mo, kahit nasabihin mo na hindi mo may shoot yung bola, kung gano'n naman makakapag-commit yung foul yung kalaban para at least for sa free throw ka na lang at least makascore.
9 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. 20 seconds passed by the fourth and final quarter. Let's take a look kung paano ang gagawin dito ng Minalin at netong San Fernando. Dizon. Tukusal. To David. That is what they were trying to do kanina pa, and now it works for them this time. As Raymart Cosal, hindi niya na pinilit na siya He passes it to David. And Jason Ibay is fouled there.
Wala, alam naman ni Cosal na binabantayan siya. Dalawa yung nagbabantay sa kanya. Doon sa drive niya na yun. Nakita niya na wala nagbabantay kay David at binigay niya yung bola. Na-convert ni David and one play.
46-53. 9 minutes and 19 seconds. Almost 1 minute passed by. 3-point shot. No good. That is too strong. Cosal. Finally, a field goal for Cosal at the second half. 7-0 run para dito sa panig ng San Fernando. As we take a look, etong pasa na ito. There, a field goal for Raymart Cosal. Timeout on the floor, 53-48.
Kabalan, Delta Cup fans, eto naman po tayo. Handa na ba kayo para sa ating Kiss Cam? Kiss naman dyan, kuya! Kiss! Grabe, si ate ba? Eto ba, Kiss Cam? Kiss! Kiss! Kiss naman dyan!
Ang tamis sa loob ng BREN Convention Center. Pero mainit ang labanan dito ng San Fernando at Minalin All-Stars sa 8 minutes and 54 seconds. Parungaw! Parungaw on that drive makes it 6-2 run.
Ang ganda na ng effort ng San Fernando pero hindi pa rin natin pwedeng sabihin na mag-advantage sila regarding dito. Kasi pinapakita pa rin ni Minalin yung magandang laro.
As Raymart Cosal was shocked on that one. Offensive foul for Raymart Cosal. Clearly, as we take a look on the replay, it's really an offensive foul and a sideline inbound for Minalin All-Stars.
May nakita naman natin doon, no, yung excessive force na sa pagtulak ni Cosal doon. So, sayang.
Good defense for Dizon after that one.
Well, kailangan na San Fernando ng matinding depensa talaga laban sa Minalin dito para at least hindi makapag-convert ang Minalin, sila naman na makabawi at mabawasan nila yung lamang.
There is a violation called dito sa panig ng Minalin.
Oh, namali ng dribble si doon. So, tingnan natin, makonvert kaya ng San Fernando itong possession na to.
As kunanan to Raymart Cosal. Tingnan natin kung paano siya babawi. Nakita niya ditong libre. In and out. Ibay on the rebound. Ball stays on the offensive side. Cosal. That makes a basket for Raymart Cosal. But there was a whistle. After that shot of Raymart Cosal, he makes an excessive contact dito for Minalin. That's why the coaching staff of Minalin was alerted. And here, nire-review ito. Let's take a look here. Raymart Cosal, after that shot, there you have it.
Well, nakita natin doon, no? So, yung pagsulong ni Cosal, medyo excessive yun. So, meron siyang foul.
There was also a pushing foul called against Raymart Cosal. Good challenge for head coach Bernard Valencia and the rest of his coaching staff, of course, assistant coach Jun Canlas, assistant coach Jericho Isidro, and assistant coach Paul Miklat. 55-50, baba sa limang kalamangan. Netong Minalin, let's see what will they do. Jumper, no good. Rebound dito. David. Good luck kay Jason Ibay. Oh, nice pass. Almost a good shot for Minalin All-Stars. Coming from the rejection of Jason Ibay. That beautiful pass from Heron Bonifacio. As we take a look at the replay, ang ganda ng pasa nito kay NJ Sagmit. But a sorry miss for NJ Sagmit. Anyways, he also drew a foul after that one.
Kanina, ang ganda dapat ng effort ng San Fernando doon, no? Pero eto na naman si Jason Ibay. Hinabol na naman, na-block yung shot na yun. Para eto naman kay Sagmit.
As 1 out of 2 for NJ Sagmit. It seems that we're a full house inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Hindi pa ito ganito kapuno.
Well, nakikita naman natin yung effort na ng San Fernando gumagana. 50-56. So, 6 na lang yung lamang ng Minalin dito.
But the ball possession stays on the offensive side.
Let's see ano magiging play ng San Fernando.
7 seconds on the shot clock. What does they do? David. Oh, good. 1.3 seconds remaining. As a buzzer beater for Charles Dizon.
Kailangan na San Fernando yun, ha? Yung trust na yun.
Exactly right, Direct Mike. Nagsastruggle na itong Minalin. The pressure is on them right now. As another steal for Raymart Cosal. Cosal na drive. Cosal misses. But he was able to get a foul against Jason Ibay.
Well, we're seeing na si Cosal gumagana na sa larong ito. Sana mapagpatuloy niya pa to para at least makuha na nila yung lamang against Minalin.
Take a look here at the replay. Raymart Cosal, no hesitation, tumama yung kamay dito ni Jason Ibay sa braso ni Raymart Cosal after attempting to block.
Let's see ngayon kung ano na magiging laro ni Cosal. Gumaganda na. Kailangan ng San Fernando to. They need yung points na kayang i-convert ni Cosal para at least matulungan sila against sa kalaban nila na Minalin. Pero ang Minalin, ang lakas pa rin ng depensa, nahirapan pa rin silang pumasok.
Direct Mike, from being behind by 14 points. Isa na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Minalin All-Stars. Isa na lang ay nahabol ng San Fernando. Sorry miss for Minalin. Holding foul against Kenneth Pamulagan.
Ang ganda ng rebound ni Cosal doon, ha, at saka na-convert niya pa into foul kay Pamulagan. So yan yung mga kailangan nila. So yung mga strategy na basketball IQ ni Cosal, kailangan nila dito ngayon para at least makuha na nila yung kalamangan.
Minalin's back is pushed against the wall this time. As a change of favors from being behind by 14 points, the biggest lead of the ball game. Lamang na ngayon dito ang San Fernando ng isa, 57-56. Another missed possession, pero nabalik dito ni Paulo Garcia ang bola sa Minalin. 3-point shot! A good rejection for Raymart Cosal, but there was a whistle. Technical foul called para sa bench ng San Fernando. Sabi ko sa'yo, kasing init ng panahon dito sa San Fernando ang laban sa loob dito ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center. At technical foul call on Coach MJ Magtoto. As we take a look here, Coach MJ is saying na kanina pa yung mga hindi niya gustong tawag. But his players are trying to keep him subtle. Trying to keep him good this time. For Coach MJ Magtoto as he's out. Take a look what will happen here as a review on that last play. Sabi dito kasi ng bench ng San Fernando, there was no contact on that block. But there is a contact doon sa kamay nito ng Minalin. As the referee Dennis Escaro clearing everything on our table official. As you take a look here. The shot. Double technical foul for head coach MJ Magtoto for this ball game. Malamig sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center pero mainit ang labanan ng San Fernando at Minalin. 5 minutes and 31 seconds as a free throw bonus after that technical foul is good for Kenneth Pamulagan. Two out of two for Kenneth Pamulagan. Direct Mike, a very crucial part for San Fernando, losing head coach MJ Magtoto. After a good run, after being behind by 14 points, nahabol mo na, lumamang ka na, ngayon mawawala yung utak mo inside the court.
Well, makikita naman natin, mag-step up na lang yung mga assistant coaches, no? Hindi talaga na-control ni coach yung emotion niya kanina. Kaya, well, tignan na lang natin kung ano ang mangyayari dito pa sa 5 minuto, 31 seconds ng laro na to.
As you mentioned, Direk Mike, about that emotion, I remembered about Coach Gilbert Malabanan saying to me way back sa ating Sinaglakas 40 that you don't win on emotion, but you win on execution. But it was a perfect quote din para dito siguro sa larong to. Kasi nga, we can see na their execution gumana na eh. But then, after that emotion na napalabas ni Coach MJ Magtoto, nabalik tuloy yung momentum dito para sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars.
Well, okay lang. So, ganun ang mangyayari. Assistant coaches na lang ang gagabay sa mga players ng San Fernando. Makikita natin, mag-e-effort naman itong mga batang to. Nakikita naman natin na resilient effort ang San Fernando para at least mabawi uli nila yung kalamangan sa
Let's see what
against
will they
Minalin.
do here. Jumper, it's good for Kunanan. 61-59 with 4 minutes and 58 seconds. Dalawa lang ang kalamangan dito ng Minalin as Pamulagan taking his time and asking for a help. Asking for a screen. Kenneth Pamulagan at that dominant drive, but a sorry miss. I don't see Charles Dizon, but it's a miss for Dizon.
Sayang yung drive ni Dizon doon, no? Pero nandun naman si Kunanan, kaya lang nabawi pa rin ng Minalin yung bola.
It could have been a bad pass for Minalin, but then they were able to put it back. Paulo Garcia! Almost a good putback. Balik ang bola dito sa San Fernando.
Okay pa rin ang effort ng San Fernando sa depensa nila. Pero tignan natin, kailangan dagdagan nila yung effort nila sa opensa.
As there is a foul called. A holding foul against kay Nixon Manabat, one of the players who step up para din dito sa Minalin All-Stars. 61-59. Dalawa lang ang kalamangan ng Minalin All-Stars as timeout on the floor. 61-59. As 4 minutes and 4 seconds remaining. Time out dito.
Mga kapatid, handa ba kayo para muli sa inyong His-Cam? His naman dyan. Ano ha? His? Ay, hindi pwede. Okay. Bawal daw. Yun! Sige, kuya. Huwag ka na mahiya. Parang kiss ng lolo. Parang kumis sa lola. Yun.
Okay, love is in the air pa rin talaga dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. So nakikita natin, tignan natin yung magiging effort ng San Fernando dito. They called for a timeout sa pagbalik natin dito sa laro against Minalin All-Stars.
4 minutes and 4 seconds remaining. 59-61. 14 seconds on the shot clock. What will San Fernando do? Who will they go to? That is short. Tinitingnan dito ni Kenneth Pamulagan.
Well, nakikita naman natin, 2 points lang ang lamang ng Minalin dito. So yung effort ng San Fernando, kahit nasabihin mo na paunti-unti, at least hindi naman ganun kalaki yung kalamangan na ng Minalin. Dagdag na lang siguro sila sa effort sa opensa nila at i-convert nila yung basket lalo na pagka nakakuha silang turnover.
Ganon yung ginawa nila kanina kaya napababa nila sa 14 ang kalamangan as a traveling violation called on Raymart Cosal.
Nag-travel si Cosal doon, no? Kasi nakikita pa rin natin yung defensive effort ng Minalin against Cosal. Nahirapan siya pumasok, so nag-commit siya ng travel.
You know, if your coach was thrown out of the playing court for a technical foul, of course, gusto mong mabalik yung pride sa team mo, no, Direct Mike?
Well, yun naman ang talagang nasa puso ng mga batang ito ng San Fernando, no? At least mabigyan nila ng justice yung pagkaka-thrown out ng coach nila.
Oh, did you see that? Speaking of justice, giving justice sa 14-point lead advantage nila dito. Itong si Kenneth Pamulagan after that beautiful drive, 63-59. Balik sa 4 ang kalamangan dito ng Minalin. As Parungaw. Parungaw na jumper, no good. Pero nakabang dito si Raymart Cosal. Possession back to San Fernando. What will they do here? Padilla. Padilla for 3. It's no good for Padilla. Pamulagan. Pamulagan, walang bantay. Easy basket for Kenneth Pamulagan.
Hindi nila bantayan si Pamulagan doon. Napakadali nung layup na yun ni Pamulagan.
65-59. Balik sa 6 ang kalamangan dito ng Minalin. As Dizon. Dizon for 3. It's short for Dizon. Oh. It's a beautiful move para dito kay Romel Bayabay.
Ang galing nung tira ni Bayabay doon, no? Yan, and one play.
Kenneth Pamulagan tries to stop that play. But then, nanaig doon ang puso ng Fernandino KAYABE on that. But of course, they need to put out. Ito, all out dapat sila. All heart out silang maglaro dito if they really want to win this ball game. Kenneth Pamulagan. Oh, nice fake. But a foul called for San Fernando. A pushing foul for Raymart Cosal.
Ayun, yung sinasabi ko. Yun na. Na-fouled out si Raymart Cosal dito for committing
You know, what a ball game for San Fernando. Your head coach is thrown out. Your captain is fouled out for this ball game. You know, even though that Raymart Cosal is not aggressive on the pointing style or the pointing system dito sa ating ball game, his defense still give a good point or still give a good ball game eh. But of course, defense, everything over offense, but then Raymart Cosal. Let's see here what will San Fernando do as we approach the last 2 minutes of our ball game. No Raymart Cosal, no head coach MJ Magtoto for San Fernando. Pero meron ka ditong Charles Dizon, meron ka ditong Jaylee Padilla. As I mentioned, no good for Charles Dizon. Parungaw against Dizon. Kay Ibay, pinasa dito. At andito na nga sinasabi ko, Jaylee Padilla. Kenneth Pamulagan on that block. But the possession goes to Minalin this time. Baseline na inbound. Dizon against Bonifacio. Ibay. Ibay to Pamulagan. Pamulagan against Dizon. Pamulagan, what will he do? 5 seconds on the shot clock. Parungaw for 3. That is short. Good defense for San Fernando.
Ang ganda ng defense ni San Fernando doon. Nahirapan pumasok ng mga players ng Minalin, lalo na si Pamulagan.
There's a whistle. 61 to 66. 5 lang ang kalamangan dito ng Minalin. There's 55.9 seconds remaining. That is the much needed free throw for San Fernando if you're really wanting na makabalik yung momentum sa inyo. Let's see if the second throw is good for Ramirez. A substitution on the floor. John Lord David checks in. Oh, a good defense, Dirk Mike.
Sakto yung pagpasok ni David, no? Nawala si Raymart Cosal. So dapat mag-step up si David dito para at least makatulong naman siya sa sa pagpunto, so kaya pagdepensa against Minalin.
But let's take a look. The last 55.2 seconds. Tong Ibay. Ibay, oh nice! Dime for Jason Ibay papunta dito. Kay Nixon Manabat. What a ball execution for the side of Minalin. A 3-point shot, in and out. Rebound on the offensive side. Oh, nice dime. Pero may foul doon itong si Kenneth Pamulagan.
Ito hindi natin masyado nakikita, no? Yung napumuntos itong si Padayaw. Madalas puro depensa lang ang tulong niya dito. Sana mag-convert pa siya ng mga 2 points sa kanya.
But then
Madalas pasa lang siya ng pasa.
he's more on the assist first. Itong si Padayaw. It reminds me of one Kapampangan player of Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. It's a different league. But then, tubong Kapampangan yun eh. Na pass first talaga. Let's take a look here. Ooh, what an alley-oop pass! But a miss for Nixon Manabat. 20 seconds. 4 lang ang kalamangan dito. Don't want a foul. Wag kang... That is what I am talking about. Don't try to foul that play for Padayaw. There's 14.7 seconds remaining. Timeout on the floor.
Yung 2 points si Padayaw, yan yung hinihintay natin, no? Kailangan ng San Fernando yan, lalo na wala na si Raymart Cosal sa kanila. So, si David Padayaw kailangan mag-step up dito, kaya si Padilla, lalo na sa pag-score para sa team nila.
14.7 seconds remaining with 14 on the shot clock. Possession pagbalik natin galing timeout, the possession belongs to Minalin. Of course, earlier today, our first game is Magalang kontra Santa Rita. One Magalang basketball wins against Calugoran Santa Rita with a final score of 63-58. Our second game sa Once Muan kontra United Tomasan Baller, 72-60. Santo Tomas dominantly win against Once Muan. And here our third game, San Fernando kontra Minalin, or Fernandino ka, Kayabe ka kontra Minalin All-Stars. Dalawa lang ang kalamangan dito ng Minalin. 14.7 seconds as the coaching staff of Minalin approach our table officials. They are asking on how many timeout left they have. As Ibay on the sideline inbound. 14 on the shot clock. 14.7 on the game clock. Jason Ibay working here with Parungaw. Heron Bonifacio, Kenneth Pamulagan. And itong si Nixon Manabat. Let's see what will they do here. At na-foul. At pa itong si Jason Ibay.
Well, kailangan talaga mag-commit ng foul ni Padayo doon para at least hindi maubos yung oras. May pag-asa pa sila para at least makakuha ng possession para makapag-score sila.
A much-needed free throw for Jason Ibay. 1 out of 2 for Jason Ibay, 69-66. Tatlo ang kalamangan if he wants to secure this ball game. This second shot must go through. This second shot must swishes. It's a miss for Jason Ibay, but a rebound on the offensive side. But Heron Bonifacio is there. Another shot for Heron Bonifacio.
Well, nakita naman natin, okay naman yung mga effort na San Fernando, kaya lang hindi pa rin nila nakukuha yung bola. So they have to commit fouls para at least hindi maubos yung oras.
There's 8.9 seconds remaining. That first free throw is good. 70-66, apat ang kalamangan ng Minalin. With 8.9 seconds remaining, if this goes through, this must be it. But there is a timeout on the floor for the side of San Fernando, Pampanga. They can go here for a quick three, asking for a foul, or they can go here for a quick drive, still asking for a foul. Direct Mike.
Well, tignan natin yung magiging strategy ng mga assistant coaches ng San Fernando regarding dito sa laro na to. Well, two-possession ball game ito, so kailangan nila ng matinding strategy against Minalin. Na alam naman natin na mabibilis din yung Minalin, kayang i-turnover ang bola papunta sa kanila.
As you can see dito, itong 8.9 seconds remaining natin. What will San Fernando do? No timeout left for San Fernando, but there is one timeout left for Minalin All-Stars. Ramirez on the sideline inbound. Balik dito ay Dizon for three. Ito na ba yun? Heron Bonifacio holding the ball. After that close call, after the heated moments during natong ating fourth quarter, after being thrown out, after being the two technical fouls, ang puso ng mga taga-Minalin Pampanga ang nanalo dito, 71-66. What a close ball game. Minalin All-Stars ending this elimination round with a bang. Itong San Fernando, matalo nila dito sa kanilang home court. After that one, what a ball game. What a run for Minalin All-Stars. 66-71 is our final scores. Ngayon kasama ko na nga ang ating Delta Cup Best Player of the Game, Kenneth Pamulagan. Kenneth, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Kenneth, lamang kayo ng 14 nung first half. But nahabol kayo dito ng San Fernando. Pero after nung technical foul, you was able, nabalik niyo yung momentum ninyo sa inyo. Ano ang nagpabalik ng momentum ng isang Kenneth Pamulagan sa ating ball game?
Sinabihan ko lang sila na huwag silang magmadali. Dahil nakikita ko mahaba pa yung oras. Baka kami, yun na nga, nahabol kami.
Kenneth, 18 points for this ball game. What more should we expect for you and for Minalin All-Stars papasok sa playoffs?
Magte-training pa kami ng
Now, Kenneth, I will give you the chance to greet all your family, friends, and to all the supporters of Minalin All-Stars.
Punta ka, salamat ka rin sina Porkeni, Minalin. Pasalamat ko kayong Mayor BPSN, Mayor Philip Nugget, tsaka Boss Fran, Coach Gao, Boss Eris, tsaka rin family ko, kay jowa ko, Rosel. Thank you po. Punta ka, salamat.
Once again, Kenneth, congratulations. Again po mga kabalan, Kenneth Pamulagan, our Delta Cup best player of the game with 18 points. Minalin All-Stars dominantly win over dito sa ating San Fernando. Fernandino ka, Kayabe ka with 5-point lead advantage. Ending this elimination round with a bang. Coming up next is I Love San Simon kontra Angeles City Red Warriors. For Direct Mike Danan and on behalf of Direct Nomar Santiago, Direct Billy De Leon, Direct Boyd, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito sa ating Delta Cup 2023 to 2024. This has been Penelope Wilhelmina, and I'm saying that life is a better place to be when basketball came along.